Cyr's Camper Tricycle is a unique and fascinating blend of art, utility, and social commentary. Imagine a three-wheeled bicycle, not just for riding, but also equipped with a small, self-contained camper unit. It's an extraordinary creation that challenges the conventional ideas of mobility, shelter, and urban survival. At first glance, the camper tricycle might look like a quirky, even whimsical invention, but beneath its unusual exterior lies a deep exploration of themes like personal space, self-sufficiency, and the increasing difficulties of affording housing in modern cities. Designed and built by artist Cyr, the camper tricycle is more than just a moving, tiny home. It's a statement about society and the struggles of individuals who find themselves on the margins. Cyr is known for his art that revolves around vehicles and mobile shelters, often painting and designing works that capture the essence of urban survival. The camper tricycle is one of his most recognized pieces, standing out as both a functional structure and an artistic installation. It takes the concept of mobile living to an extreme, reducing it to the bare essentials, yet maintaining a surprising level of ingenuity in its design. The tricycle itself is a sturdy, modified version of a traditional cargo bike, built to handle the extra weight of the camper unit. The camper is compact but cleverly designed, featuring a small sleeping area, storage compartments, and a tiny workspace. Everything is arranged in a way that maximizes space while keeping the structure as lightweight as possible. The entire unit is pedal-powered, which means no reliance on fuel, making it an environmentally friendly alternative to motorhomes or camper vans. One of the most intriguing aspects of the camper tricycle is its potential use in real-world scenarios. While it may not be a practical choice for long-term living, it presents an innovative solution for temporary shelter, emergency housing, or even adventure travel. For those who dream of a nomadic lifestyle but can't afford expensive RVs, this could be an eye-opening alternative. The idea of simply pedaling to a new location, setting up camp wherever space allows, and moving on when necessary is both liberating and thought-provoking. The camper tricycle also raises important questions about urban living and homelessness. In many cities, the rising cost of rent and housing has forced people to find creative ways to live affordably. Tiny homes, van life, and even DIY shelters have become increasingly popular as people seek alternatives to traditional housing. Cyr's creation taps into this reality, presenting an artistic yet functional response to the growing crisis of affordable living spaces. Beyond its social implications, the camper tricycle is a marvel of craftsmanship. The construction of such a small yet livable space on a tricycle frame is no easy task. Every inch of the camper is thoughtfully designed to make use of available space efficiently. The materials are chosen carefully to balance durability with weight, ensuring that the structure remains stable while still being easy enough to pedal. The challenge of creating a fully functional micro-home on wheels is met with remarkable creativity and skill. Cyr's work is also an exploration of nostalgia and practicality. Many of his pieces, including the camper tricycle, evoke a sense of vintage Americana, with their handmade, utilitarian aesthetic. There's something deeply personal about a project like this, as it recalls a time when craftsmanship and ingenuity played a larger role in everyday life. The camper tricycle embodies a return to a simpler, self-sufficient way of living, while also commenting on modern-day struggles. From an artistic perspective, the camper tricycle is more than just a shelter on wheels. It's an interactive piece of art that sparks conversation wherever it goes. When people see it, they are often drawn to its peculiar yet charming design. It invites questions, curiosity, and dialogue about mobility, independence, and what it means to have a home. The project challenges traditional ideas about space and shelter, making people rethink how much they truly need to live comfortably. Another interesting aspect of the camper tricycle is its adaptability. While Cyr's version is designed as an art piece, the concept itself can be expanded upon. With advancements in lightweight materials and modular design, future iterations could be even more practical. Solar panels, foldable furniture, and rainwater collection systems could turn this idea into a more viable option for off-grid living. The potential for self-sustaining, mobile tiny homes is immense, and Cyr's work serves as an inspiring foundation for what's possible. The camper tricycle also aligns with the growing trend of sustainable travel. With concerns about climate change and the environmental impact of traditional vehicles, people are seeking greener alternatives. A pedal-pounded camper eliminates the need for fossil fuels, reducing the carbon footprint of long-distance travel. It promotes a slower, more mindful way of exploring the world, one that encourages connection with the environment and appreciation for simplicity. While the camper tricycle might not replace conventional housing or travel options anytime soon, its significance lies in its ability to challenge norms. It pushes boundaries and encourages people to think differently about their living situations, mobility, and what it means to be self-sufficient. Whether viewed as an art installation, an experiment in alternative living, or a symbol of resilience, it remains a compelling creation. Cyr's work speaks to those who dare to dream of a different way of life. It resonates with adventurers, artists, and those who feel confined by the expectations of modern society. The camper tricycle is not just a means of transportation or shelter. It's a statement, a conversation starter, and a glimpse into a future where creativity and necessity blend seamlessly. In a world where housing crises, environmental concerns, and urban overcrowding are pressing issues, projects like the camper tricycle remind us of the power of innovation. They show that thinking outside the box, literally, can lead to groundbreaking solutions. Whether practical or purely artistic, Cyr's camper tricycle leaves a lasting impression, making us question the way we live, travel, and define home.